Hey there, amigos! Welcome to our channel. Today, we're about to discuss a true game changer in the world of streaming and home entertainment. Allow me to introduce you to the Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K Max, the device that's reshaping how we experience home entertainment. This isn't just another streaming device, it's power in your hands. The Fire TV Stick 4K Max is 40% more powerful than its predecessor, the Fire TV Stick 4K. That means your apps will launch faster and navigation will be smoother than ever before. Say goodbye to endless waits and annoying interruptions. But that's not all. The Fire TV Stick 4K Max is compatible with cutting-edge Wi-Fi 6. What does this mean? It means you can enjoy smooth 4K streaming content on multiple devices without worrying about signal quality. Say goodbye to buffering and hello to a seamless, hassle-free streaming experience. Imagine having a cinematic experience in the comfort of your living room. The Fire TV Stick 4K Max offers vibrant Ultra HD 4K quality images, compatible with Dolby Vision, HDR, HDR10+, and Immersive Dolby Atmos audio. Every detail, every color, and every sound will come to life, immersing you in your favorite movies and TV shows like never before. But the true magic lies in the diversity of content you can enjoy. With the Fire TV Stick 4K Max, there are no limits. Access thousands of movies and series on platforms like Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, Disney+, DZN, Atmos Player, Movistar++, and Mattel. Plus, listen to millions of songs to match all your moods. You have a whole world of entertainment at your fingertips. Mislive TV? Don't worry. The Fire TV Stick 4K Max has you covered in this department too. With subscriptions to Atmos Player, RTV Play, and more, you can access live channels, news, and sports. Additionally, enjoy free content from RTV Play, Atmos Player, YouTube, and more. Switch between your favorite programs hassle-free. Convenience is key here. The Fire TV Stick 4K Max comes with the Alexa voice remote. Looking for a particular movie? Just ask Alexa. Need to adjust the volume or turn off the TV? The remote does it for you. It's like having a personal assistant in your hand. Want to take your home to the next level? With the Fire TV Stick 4K Max, you can. While enjoying your favorite show, you can view images from your front door camera without missing a beat. Ask Alexa about the weather or have her adjust your home's lighting. It's total control at your voice's command. So, what are you waiting for? Click on the Amazon link in the description and elevate your entertainment experience with the Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K Max. You're not just buying a device, you're acquiring an unparalleled entertainment experience. Please subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to stay updated on the latest innovations in technology and entertainment. Join the home entertainment revolution today. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video, amigos.